right now I have version 1.9 of the Minimalist Library installed, and to upgrade to the second version, what we need to do is basically delete the first version and then make a clean install of the second version. So first of all, let's go to Blocs in the Extension Manager, and we will select all of the custom blocks which are from the Minimalist Library 1, and make sure you leave all of the other blocks you might have here. For example, I have Vault CMS blocks here. Click on the minus icon and confirm that you want to remove these extensions. After that, you can see we only have Vault. Let's go to Sites and do the same to the site template. So now restart the Blocks application and open any project, any new project. And let's go to the block bar. You can see we have 3 empty libraries still available here. We need to click on the settings for the block bar and click organize, then trash can to remove the libraries we don't need anymore. So select all of the libraries here and delete them using the trash icon. After that, as you can see, we don't have any libraries installed anymore. So I recommend to restart Blocks app again. And now we will do a clean install of the second version of the library. So let's go to Extension Manager. As you can see, we don't have any sections here. So let's click plus icon, navigate to the Minimalist Library 2.0 files, which you will have after you purchase it. Select all of the files, click open, wait a few seconds, and it will install everything you need. After that, you will see it will also install site template as well. So we can close the extension manager. Let's restart the blocks again to make sure everything is updated. And now we can go to the new project. You can see that we have the site template for the second version available here. Select it. As you can see, it says 2.0. So let's use this template. And if you open the block bar, you will see that we now have the Minimalist Library available as an option, and you can see all of the sections installed here.